Okay, so in this video, I had to switch to the GoPro because I need my phone handy. So I want to show you guys how to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay. So right now we're on the Magic Box home screen. I've got my phone over here. So what you're gonna want to do, and if the icon's not here, just search for CarPlay. It's gonna be somewhere along here. For me, I already added it in a couple different spots because I frequently drop into there. So I'm gonna hit Apple CarPlay. It's gonna show the device name, and this is just the Bluetooth device name that I'm gonna wanna connect to on my phone. So then on my mobile phone, my iPhone, I'm gonna find Magic Box-2165, Magic Box-2165. I'm gonna click that, and then it's gonna say Bluetooth pairing request. I'm gonna pair, and then we'll watch the screen. Oh wait, sorry, last thing, allow contacts. You can, for the purpose of the demo, I'm not going to. And then you'll get the spinning wheel, and you'll drop into Apple CarPlay. The same Apple CarPlay that you guys experience on your phone, you can now see that wirelessly, right? So there's nothing connected to my head unit besides the Magic Box 2.0, right? So then I can get in and out of my car wirelessly. Depending on your default startup option, which we'll cover in a different video, you could essentially drop into this wirelessly. And then getting back to the Magic Box Home, you simply just tap Magic Box Home. It'll say that you're leaving CarPlay. I don't know if you guys can see this, but when you do it yourself, you can. When you leave between wireless CarPlay and Magic Box Home, you'll lose CarPlay connection, and you'll have to re-enable Wi-Fi. That's a limitation done by Apple. And CarPlay, that's not a limitation of our product. A lot of people will, think that something's broken. It's not broken. If you're going between CarPlay and streaming, it's super easy. We set this quick hotkey there, so then you can go turn on your Wi-Fi and start streaming. Or you can just go back into CarPlay and it'll load up, and as long as you haven't turned Wi-Fi on yet, you'll just get dropped back into CarPlay. So it's really, really easy to get back and forth between these two systems. Catch you guys in the next one.